Pandas Dataframe Fillna, only some columns in place. I am trying to fill none values in a Pandas dataframe with zeros for only some subset of columns. When I do, the output it replaces every none with zeros. What I want to do is only replace knowns in columns A and B, but not C. What is the best way of doing this?
You can select your desired columns and do it by assignment. The resulting output is as expected.
You can using dict, Fillna with different value for different column. After assign it back.
You can avoid making a copy of the object using when solution and in place equals true, which yields
Using the top answer produces a warning about making changes to a copy of a DF slice. Assuming that you have other columns, a better way to do this is to pass a dictionary. df.fillna, a column na, b column na, in place equals true.
This should work and without copy warning.
Function